Hello everyone, this is a series of lecture on optical communication and networking. My lectures is divided into two parts. In the first few lectures, I will cover the concepts related to optical communication, and in the second part, I will discuss about the networking side. So let's get some idea about and history of optical communication system. What you are seeing is an electromagnetic spectrum which spans from zero frequency to very high frequency. You see, initially the communication has started from very low frequency, in the range of radio frequency. You can see the radio frequency range is from 0 hertz to around in terms of gigahertz. Okay, this is the radio frequency range. Later the communication has moved to the microwave frequency, and then we have used millimeter wave frequency, then optical fiber communication. You can see in microwave the frequency range is in terms of gigahertz. Similarly, around millimeter wave in terms of 10 gigahertz or 100 gigahertz, whereas for optical communication the range of frequency is in terms of terahertz. Now here one can ask question, why we go for higher frequency for communication? The answer here is very simple. So let's take a basic relationship between frequency and the amount of information. If you see, the amount of information that we are transmitting is directly proportional to the frequency range. So if you want to transmit more and more information, then automatically your frequency is automatically increasing. So if two user is communicating, then the range of frequency or the frequency needed is very low. If more and more information want to transmit more and more information, then we need a larger frequency range. Okay, so that's why the communication has gradually moved or pushed from radio frequency to microwave and millimeter wave and to the optical fiber communication. If you ask anybody what is the advantage of optical fiber communication, he or she will say optical fiberization has enormous bandwidth. The reason is we can transmit more and more information in optical fiber communication. This is one of the advantage of optical fiber communication. Okay, now here let's discuss the basic difference between normal communication system and fiber optic communication system. So in the first block diagram, what you are seeing is a normal communication mode. So we have our information, then we will modulate our original information on a carrier. Okay, then we will transmit it through any wired medium or wireless medium, then we will demodulate the signal and we receive. This is normal communication scenario. But in the case of optical fiber communication system, the procedure is little bit different. If you see, the information, the electrical information is converted into optical source by means of LED or laser. Then this light signal is injected into an optical fiber cable. This is our transmission medium. Optical fiber is a transmission medium in optical communication. Then this optical detector will convert our light signal into electrical signal and we receive our original electrical signal. Okay, so this is the basic difference between normal communication and fiber optic communication scenario. So let us see few advantages of optical fiber communication system. As I mentioned previous lecture in the previous slide, optical fiber communication has enormous potential bandwidth. It has very small size and weight. If you measure the thickness of optical fiber, it is very less than human hair. It is protected from electrical short circuit, as well as it is immune to any interference, as we are bury the optical fiber cable in the ground. Okay, so in the upcoming lectures we will discuss the basics. We will start with the basics about optical communication. Thank you.